Well, that didn't sound too good. So you get a no cooling call, and the suction pressure for our 410 system is 70 psi, and the discharge pressure is up over 450. So another technician thought maybe it was overcharged and took a bunch of Freon out of it. Hey, put that thing back in the cooling mode there, would you? Yep. Oh, that don't sound good at all. But anyway, so let it run in the cooling mode there for a minute and see what we come up with. So they take Freon out of the system to at least get the discharge pressure down below 450. I mean, that's what you kind of got to maybe do. But you come up on the unit and it sure enough, it's running. What was it running when you hooked up to it?
About 65 suction pressure.
65 on the suction. So what are you thinking? Yeah, it's just going to keep on choking down, choking down, choking down. There's a high dollar set of gauges here. High dollar set of gauges.
Can't even find them no more.
Can't find them no more. No more. Antique. All right, so obviously we got a really low suction pressure, and because they took charge out of the system, got it running. The apartment's cool, but it's not right. So recycle that back out of there again. See what we get here. One thing that you want to check to verify this is to check how is it running in the heat mode. Oh, makes me feel like Santa Claus. Oh, you can't make this stuff up. I mean, it's going to be a TXV, but
Close to being a compressor.
it might be a year, it might be a month, it might be 10 years. I got a video of one that I did like 2 summers ago. I thought wouldn't last a week, and it's still running. But anyway, yep. So we got a bad TXV here. Check the unit before you start playing with the charge. Cycle the unit into the heat mode. Either pull the wire off the circuit board, unwire it here at the low voltage terminals, have your partner downstairs, switch it over into the heat mode, wait 5 minutes for it to come back on and check the pressures. A lot easier, just pull the wire off. And you can see here, it's not perfect, but we know it's not charged right. We already know the charge has been adjusted. But that's not too bad for a day that's 65, 68, 72 degrees outside and raining. So, yep, pretty safe to say bad TXV. Good job, Jack.